Gukirira iria cierekeirio mucirithania munene Martha Koome ni kiama kia UDA ni gukorwo akinyita itemi kamiti-ini ya wihariria wa githurano kia mwaka tukite itumite Koome hande na macokio ma irua riria riatumirwo kuri tariki 24 mweri uyu ni kiama kia UDA akiuga gukorwo gwake kamiti-ini iyo ti kuga ruhonge rwa ucirithania ni rukenyenyo ni mirugamo ya uteti mwaka wa 2022.
The Judicial Service Act gives me the mandate to be the link for the judiciary with other government agencies and other arms of government. It also creates the National Council on the Administration of Justice, whose mandate is to collaborate and coordinate all the actors in the administration of justice to ensure that at the end of the day we render seamless services.
Akiaria kiomano-ini kia mugwanja gia thirikari cia matura Makueni, Koome uria ukindirite mukana wa rucami rwa watho kuri aria marauna watho wa riera augite gutire hindi wiathi wa ruhonge ruru ungienyenyo na gukorwo ari kamiti-ini rira tabarira wihariria wa githurano ni kuringana na mahinya maria athukirwo ni watho. Miario yake ikinyitwo mbaru ni magavana amwe mekinyite kigomano-ini giki.
So what I try to tell Kenyans is that independence of the judiciary is deep, is fundamental. It cannot be taken away simply because I have sat with other agencies of government, with the politicians.
Sijui kwa nini wanampigia kelele kumpatia siasa. Chief Justice Maraga alikuwa amehudhuria pia na akakaa katika tume hiyo kama chair wa National Council of Administration of Justice. Hawakusema kitu hata kimoja.
Atongoria kiama-ini kia UDA makoretwo makiuga ni mugaru na watho Koome kunyita itemi mibango-ini ya githurano na ati ni kuingirira areingirira wira uria ubatie guthukirwo wiathi wa commission ya ithurano IEBC. Akieherera uhoro uyu na kurika ndereti-ini ya kwagirithia riera, Koome arauga kigiriko na mathina maria makoretwo mari bururi-ini ma ng'aragu, wagi wa mai na kwambatira gwa ithimi cia urugari manjiriirie gucema bururi kuma wahuthiriria utonga uria uhumbite thi, njui, mititu na ihumo cia mai o kahora ikiagariri.
The fact that human activities are causing climate change is no longer deniable, and it is now widely accepted that through our actions we can harm ourselves. We can also harm each other, and we can harm the future generations.
It would be important to conduct a lot of civic education on what is climate change in our communities, so that there is a conversation which is genuine.
Arutire mukana aria moroteire kuna watho wa riera akiuga kumane na riu ruhonge rwa ucirithania ni rukuhiyurira rucami ruhiu aria manyitwo na mahitia ma kwagarara mawatho ma riera mwerekero-ini wa gukinyaniria ihoto cia maria maturigiceirie. Kihonia kia mathina ma uthukangu wa riera maria manjitie kurarakira bururi kiri moko-ini ma mundu wothe totu aria mekinyitie thiini wa kigomano giki na kuona ni thina ukurete bururi utari na wihaririria mukinyaniru. Mituke ya gwetha kihonia kia mathina maya ni irabatarikana. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma cukuru-ini wa Imwana wa Makueni, kaunti-ini ya Makueni. Njĩtagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.